All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Hanover Market, and this is the morning call for March 12th. All right, we're a little disshuttled this morning because some of the well, commodity firms switched, so we decided to make the switch. So we will be in March. We will be in. I'm sorry, we'll be in June. The numbers coming out today will be in June. M5, M5 on your domes and so on. So here's a profile for June. Um, it's going to be a little whippier trade today because the volume still is not as great in June, and people will be rolling over today. So expect a choppy trade, and as more people, the volume gets in there, it'll be evenly split. I usually only like I would have normally just switched on Monday. Maybe try to get through today and tomorrow with the front month still, but might as well switch as long as things are going on. So it stays the same. The now the profile volume will have to fill in. So we've been going down. We still have a negative bias, and I can tell you that my experience over the last uh, 30 years is that rollover tends to. I said this all the time. It was the time that I lost the most money, is because uh, because you didn't see all the order flow, and people are putting spreads on, and they're rolling from one month to the other. So it's one of those times like if you could take a vacation, go take the vacation. So all right. So looking at this today, we are sitting right below our 5 minute pivot. Jobless claims came out this morning, and they were worse than expected. I think they were expecting to create 330, and they only created 280. So that was a big uh, uh, surprise, I guess. Um, the real surprise will be when they realize that the government's it's all for Ghazi. They've been lying to us. All right, ready? Bottom of value, 2040 quarter. Bull bear zone is 2040. Got 2046 half as the point of control. 2046 quarter is the top of value. All right. And uh, so I'm expecting another down day today. I think there's a lot of things that are becoming, we're opening up. It looks like we're opening up higher. But I think, let me bring the profile in here. It's getting me all confused. No, we're not open up higher. That says up 800, but that's not true. All right. Oh, yeah, from the bottom. So yesterday's low for the June was 2030.75, and we're trading up here at the top of value or the top of the range for overnight 2040. Okay. Um, so this is what the profile is looking like. Like I said, it's going to be choppy. It's going to be a while before I get acclimated and go back in here and see that things would have to be filled in and so on. So we've had several down days in a row now, but I still don't think that the bottom's finished. So this is what we're looking at. So the high here today has been 2042.30. Okay, and then above 2042.30, I'd be looking for possibly getting up to 2046 half. So it's going to be more of the same. We're going to take a look of it. Just because it's June, but I'm expecting the trade to be a little more volatile, just because of the numbers aren't as great in the June. All right. It's always we have to get inside value above the bull bear zone. Take out the 5 minute pivot. If we take out the 5 minute pivot, that would change the trend to the downside. I mean, to the upside. Looking at the sisters right now, the Dow is in a buy, the Nasdaq's in a sell, and the Russell's in a buy, and we got the NQ in a sell, and we got the S&Ps in a buy. All right, let me throw the bonds in here because it's how disheveled I am this morning, but it'll get better. So the bonds are positive this morning, as you can see. Um, and actually our bias is up, and the bull bear zone is right here at 159. 01 or 159.11. I'm sorry, 159.11. We got the top of value at 159.14, 159.28, 157.20. This is you can figure this is the reaction you're going to get when the jobless claims came out and it was worse than expected. So you got the point of control at 158.28, volume 157.20. So we got a up bias on bonds, and then we have gold. We have a negative bias on gold. All right, and we're looking at. I'm sorry, this is yesterday's numbers. I got to get this out of here. I'm sorry. No, wait. No, this I did already. Sorry. Oh, I'm just shuttle this morning. All right. Top of value 1159.70. Okay. Bull bear zone 1151.30. 1150 point of control of 1149 half. All right. So we're trading right there right now inside of value, but we got a negative bias on gold. Negative bias on gold. All right. I haven't done the oil charts. If you're watching it, we'll update it on Twitter today. But getting back to the S&Ps, we are rolling. I'm expecting a choppy trade. Right now, it's trying to get inside value. 2040 quarter is the bottom of value. 2046 half point of control, and the top is 2047 and a quarter. Negative bias. So let's take a look at what happens on the opening. And see what happens. Remember when I tell you got a negative bias, it has 70% chance of closing lower than where we opened, lower than where we opened. So I got a lot of things to update. We'll be really active on Twitter. Remember, we got a live show at 10 o'clock today. Live show at 10 o'clock. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.